Ricola Cherry Honey Throat Drops, Natural Cough Drops. Product details.
Ricola Cherry Honey Throat Drops, Natural Cough Drops, 24 count.
Ricola Cherry Honey Throat Drops are the sweet way to soothe your sore throat.
These cherry and natural honey throat drops bring together two flavors from nature, refreshing natural cherry with rich, comforting fair trade honey, to create one great tasting sore throat drops flavor.
And just when you think it can't get better, we add in our famous Swiss mountain herbs.
The secret herb mixture contains elder, horehound, hyssop, lemon balm, linden flowers, mallow, peppermint, sage, thyme, and wild thyme.
The herbal blend is also infused with menthol, a natural cough suppressant that helps calm coughs and helps alleviate minor mouth and throat irritation. Combined, this blend makes Ricola throat lozenges uniquely effective and delicious. Active ingredient, in each drop, menthol, 2.0 milligrams.
From that first tickle in the back of your throat to a bad cough that ends up in your chest, Ricola cough drops and throat drops are well positioned to give you maximum support along each step of having a cold.
Ricola cough drops are known for helping throats feel better naturally, by using the goodness of nature to stand by your side from beginning to end.
For nearly a century, Ricola has been making naturally effective products using the highest quality Swiss herbs for soothing relief of coughs and sore throats. Our cough drops and sore throat lozenges offer the soothing cough relief of menthol with high-quality herbs grown high in the Swiss mountains to make our world-famous herb cough drop. The soothing properties of Ricola cough drops bring together the taste of Swiss alpine farmed herbs like peppermint, thyme, and lemon balm in our tasty drops. The top priorities at Ricola are to maintain our exceptional standards when producing our various herb specialties. This is why our herbs are cultivated using natural methods in the Swiss mountains. And why Ricola has been trusted for cough relief and sore throat relief for generations.